Did you know that the secret to fighting germs and supporting your health might be hiding in plain sight, right inside your kitchen? While we often think of our spice racks as just a way to add flavor to our favorite dishes, some of those humble jars actually contain powerful natural remedies. Imagine opening your cabinet and discovering that one of the most effective tools for wellness has been there all along, quietly waiting to be noticed. It's a reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary things are found in the most ordinary places. Meet oregano, the familiar pizza herb that's so much more than a tasty topping. While you might know it best for its bold, aromatic flavor on Italian dishes, oregano has a powerful twist that goes far beyond the kitchen. For centuries, people have treasured this herb not just for its taste, but for its remarkable health benefits. Oregano is packed with natural compounds that have been valued in traditional medicine all around the world. It's a small plant with a big reputation, and its story is just beginning to be fully appreciated. When oregano is concentrated into oil, it transforms into one of nature's most potent defenders. Oregano oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy, long before the advent of modern medicine and pharmaceuticals. Ancient healers recognized its ability to protect against illness, soothe discomfort, and even purify the air. They would infuse it into oils, teas, and balms, passing down their knowledge through generations. Today, we're rediscovering just how powerful this herbal oil can be, as more people turn to natural solutions for everyday health challenges. Modern science is now catching up to what ancient healers intuitively knew. Researchers have discovered that oregano oil is packed with potent compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which have strong antibacterial and antioxidant properties. These natural chemicals help fight off harmful bacteria, support the immune system, and may even help reduce inflammation. Studies continue to explore oregano oil's potential to combat everything from common colds to more serious infections. It's a fascinating blend of old wisdom and new discoveries, showing us that nature still holds many secrets for our well-being. Oregano's journey is truly remarkable. From the sun-drenched hillsides of the Mediterranean, where wild oregano grows in abundance, to the shelves of modern wellness stores, this herb has traveled through time and across cultures. Today you'll find oregano oil in a variety of products, from supplements and essential oils to teas and natural cleaning solutions. Its popularity is soaring as more people seek out plant-based ways to support their health and well-being. For thousands of years, oregano has been used to purify, protect, and heal. The ancient Greeks, in particular, revered oregano as a symbol of joy and health. They used it in everything from culinary dishes to medicinal salves, believing it could ward off illness and promote longevity. Ancient texts describe how healers would gather wild oregano from the hillsides, using it to treat wounds, respiratory issues, and digestive troubles. This rich history reminds us that oregano's benefits are deeply rooted in tradition. Today, we're rediscovering oregano's many benefits and finding new ways to incorporate it into our daily lives. People use oregano oil to boost their immunity, soothe sore throats, and even calm upset stomachs. Some add a few drops to their tea, while others take it as a supplement or use it in homemade remedies. Families are turning to oregano oil as a natural way to support their health, especially during cold and flu season. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. So, the next time you see that little jar of oregano in your kitchen, remember, it's more than just a seasoning. It's a humble herb with a mighty secret, ready to help you live healthier naturally. Get ready to see oregano in a whole new light. Oregano oil isn't just dried oregano. It's a concentrated essential oil from Oreganum vulgare, extracted through steam distillation. This process captures the plant's most potent compounds, especially carvacrol and thymol. Carvacrol is the star, giving oregano oil its powerful antimicrobial punch. Thymol adds extra antiseptic and antifungal strength. Together, they create a natural defense team, protecting both the plant and potentially you. High-quality oregano oil is rich in these compounds, making it a favorite in natural health circles. Its popularity is rooted in both tradition and growing scientific support. Sometimes, nature's simplest solutions are the most powerful. Oregano oil is like a tiny bodyguard for your system, always on alert and ready to defend you from invisible threats. Just a few drops contain a concentrated blend of compounds that work together to protect your health in ways you might not expect. Oregano oil fights off a wide range of harmful invaders, bacteria, fungi, and even some parasites. Its reach is impressive, targeting not just the common germs we encounter daily, but also some of the more stubborn microbes that can cause persistent infections. The secret weapon in oregano oil is carvacrol, a natural compound that acts like a microscopic battering ram. Carvacrol breaks down the protective walls of bacteria, causing them to self-destruct from the inside out. This means that even bacteria that have developed resistance to other treatments can be vulnerable to oregano oil's unique approach. Studies show oregano oil can tackle tough bacteria like E. coli and staph, and even inhibit listeria. These are bacteria that can cause serious illness, especially when they find their way into our food or water. Researchers have found that oregano oil can slow their growth, reduce their ability to spread, and sometimes even wipe them out completely. Its antifungal power is impressive too, especially against candida, a common culprit behind yeast infections and other persistent fungal issues. Oregano oil disrupts the cell membranes of fungi, making it harder for them to survive and multiply. This makes it a valuable ally for anyone dealing with recurring fungal problems. For traveler's tummy or athlete's foot, diluted oregano oil can help fight off the culprits. Whether you're dealing with digestive troubles from unfamiliar foods or battling a stubborn case of athlete's foot after a workout, oregano oil's antimicrobial properties can offer relief. Just remember, it's potent, so always dilute it before applying to skin or taking internally. Beyond its direct effects, oregano oil also helps support your body's natural defenses. By reducing the burden of harmful microbes, it gives your immune system a better chance to do its job efficiently. Many people keep a small bottle in their travel kit or medicine cabinet, ready to use at the first sign of trouble. It's a natural first aid kit, supporting your immune system's efforts. Families around the world rely on oregano oil as a go-to remedy for minor cuts, scrapes, and even seasonal sniffles, thanks to its broad-spectrum antimicrobial action. While not a replacement for antibiotics, it's a powerful natural cleanser. Oregano oil can be used alongside conventional treatments, but it's important to consult a healthcare professional before combining remedies, especially for serious infections. Think of it as extra security for your body, a natural shield that helps you stay resilient in the face of everyday health challenges. Whether you're looking to prevent illness or support recovery, oregano oil offers a layer of protection that's both ancient and backed by modern research. Oregano oil's antimicrobial strength is its signature feature, making it a standout among natural remedies. With its ability to target bacteria, fungi, and more, it truly earns its reputation as a potent defender for your health. Oregano oil acts like a personal trainer for your immune system thanks to its antioxidants carvacrol and thymol. These compounds protect your cells from free radical damage, reducing oxidative stress and helping your immune system stay strong. Many people use oregano oil at the first sign of a cold, adding a drop to water or juice for a quick boost. It's not a magic cure, but it gives your body extra tools to fight off bugs. Stay proactive. Oregano oil helps keep your immune system resilient. Chronic inflammation can quietly damage your body, but oregano oil's carvacrol helps calm the fire. It tells your body's inflammatory messengers to dial it down, reducing discomfort from joint pain or sore muscles. Studies show carvacrol can inhibit pro-inflammatory molecules, offering relief for arthritis or post-workout soreness. Even a diluted drop can soothe a sore throat or irritated skin. For conditions like eczema, careful topical use may reduce redness and irritation. Oregano oil fights microbes and inflammation at once, helping your body heal. It's a natural way to restore balance and comfort. Oregano oil supports digestion by balancing gut bacteria and fighting off troublemakers. Its antimicrobial action helps clear out bad bacteria, letting good probiotics thrive. Some studies suggest it may help with issues like SIBO or general bloating. Oregano oil also stimulates bile flow, aiding fat digestion and nutrient absorption. A diluted drop before or after meals can ease discomfort for many. Always start small and see how your body reacts. For many, oregano oil is a simple way to keep digestion running smoothly. Struggling with congestion or a cough? Oregano oil can help clear your airways. Inhaling its vapors breaks up mucus and soothes irritated passages, Try steam inhalation, add a couple drops to hot water, breathe deeply and let the steam work its magic. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects help calm coughs and fight germs. Use it in a diffuser or as a diluted chest rub for extra relief. Oregano oil is a natural way to breathe easier and recover faster. Oregano oil's antibacterial and antifungal powers make it a potent addition to your skin and hair care. For acne, a highly diluted spot treatment can target bacteria and reduce redness. It's also useful for minor cuts, scrapes, and insect bites. Just dilute with a carrier oil. For dandruff, add a drop to your shampoo to help rebalance your scalp. Always dilute. Oregano oil is strong and can irritate skin if used undiluted. Used carefully, it's a natural remedy for clearer skin and a healthier scalp. Oregano oil proves its versatility inside and out. Oregano oil is a potent natural extract, celebrated for its powerful antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. But with great power comes great responsibility, so safety always comes first when using this concentrated oil. Whether you're new to oregano oil or have used it before, understanding how to handle it properly is essential for your well-being. Always read the label and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Oregano oil is highly concentrated, and using it undiluted can cause serious irritation or even burns to your skin and mouth. Never apply pure oregano oil directly to your skin or ingest it straight from the bottle. Even a small amount of undiluted oil can be too harsh for most people. To use oregano oil safely, always dilute it first. For topical use, mix just 1 or 2 drops of oregano oil with a tablespoon of a gentle carrier oil, such as olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. This helps prevent skin irritation and allows the oil to be absorbed more comfortably. For internal use, add a drop or 2 to a glass of water, juice, or a spoonful of honey. This not only makes it easier to take, but also helps protect your digestive tract from irritation. Oregano oil is best used in moderation. Limit your use to short periods, typically a week or 2 at a time, and always take breaks between uses. Overuse can lead to unwanted side effects, such as digestive upset or allergic reactions. Listen to your body, and if you notice any discomfort, stop using the oil and consult a healthcare professional. Certain people should avoid oregano oil altogether. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to steer clear, as the oil may not be safe for you or your baby. People with bleeding disorders or those taking blood-thinning medications should also avoid oregano oil, since it can increase the risk of bleeding. And if you have allergies to plants in the mint family, like basil, sage, or lavender, be cautious, as oregano oil could trigger a reaction. Always keep oregano oil out of reach of children and pets, as even small amounts can be harmful if swallowed or spilled. Remember, oregano oil is not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you have any health conditions or are taking medications, talk to your doctor before using oregano oil, especially for long-term use. Consulting your healthcare provider is especially important if you plan to use oregano oil regularly or if you have ongoing health concerns. Your doctor can help you determine if oregano oil is safe for you and guide you on the right dosage and duration. When used wisely and with care, oregano oil can be a safe, effective natural remedy to support your health. Respect its strength, follow safety guidelines, and enjoy the benefits it has to offer. We hope you enjoyed our latest video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for much more foodie facts. Thanks for watching.